Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this being one of my personal favorite by Majorette. So this is the trailer series, and this one is the Airstream Sport 16 and Land Rover Defender 90. So this Land Rover Defender 90 was really hard to get in India actually. So I bought this for 569. So the MRP is actually 599, so I bought it for 569. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So a lot of people are actually asking me to unbox this sometime back. So that time I didn't had this. Luckily I got this recently, and I just plan to unbox this now. Actually this packing itself is really heavy. Okay, here it is. So let's try to unhitch the trailer first. Let's see if that is doable without damaging the car. Yeah, it is doable. Okay, let's first look at the car and then look at the trailer. So the initial impressions of this car, it looks really nice. It does have some irregularities on the top. I mean, not sure how it got the smudge here, as you can see. So it does have acrylics for headlights as usual. The grill details are really nice. It's not just painted, it is actually embossed in it, or you can say engraved in it, however you want. And it has rear view mirrors as well. The wheels looks really nice, and the wheels are actually made of plastic. It is not rubber since it's not a deluxe edition. And the tail lights are actually painted on. It's fine. And this tire, spare tire here, is actually plastic. And it has openable part as well, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it has openable doors. It is a bit hard to open. Let me just try. Yeah, it has openable parts, which is really awesome. It has some good interior detail to it as well. Let's close this for a minute. This looks really cool. So the body is actually made of metal, and this part is actually made of plastic. So chassis is plastic. It looks really nice actually. The logo detailing is really nice. Logo placement is really nice. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, let's put the car aside for a minute and let's take the trailer. This thing is really heavy. You can break someone's head with it really easy, because it is fully made of metal. This thing is fully made of metal, which is really beautiful. And this one actually has an openable part. Wow, that is really cool. Not sure if you guys can able to see it internally. Let me just try to take my torch and put some light here, and let's see if you guys can able to see it. It has some nice interior detail to it, so you can see here. Okay, I can't able to show it to you guys much, but this is really cool. The detailing is really nice. The paint job is really nice. It's so cool. Okay, let's hitch it back. Yeah, it's done. Okay. It is actually a bit easy if you are used to it. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll well at all. It doesn't roll at all, and it is very heavy. Can hear the noise, right? Both wheels wobble a lot. No, it is not really good to play with, but it does look really beautiful, If you keep it in display, it is going to look really beautiful, like the others which I'm keeping here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.